So this demonstration and training module is about Sametime Advanced persistent chat. You'll notice in my Sametime Advanced client that I've got the system tray for chat rooms opened. In this chat rooms, I've got one persistent chat community created. In addition, I'll go quickly through the icons here so I can refresh the list of chat rooms. I can find and manage chat rooms, and then I can change my view. I can view chat room by activity, or I can view the chat room folders in the folder format. So I have it in folders here. I can also do a search function here to search for additional communities by keyword. I've gone ahead and clicked on the Find and Manage Chat Rooms icon, and you'll see in this menu, this is what comes up when you do that. So I've got here a section where there's tagged communities. I've got my chat rooms. I could click on that tab. It will show you my user, my particular communities that I've signed up for or created. I can open all the chat rooms that are out there. And as we showed in our last module about broadcast communities, I can also do a search on broadcast communities. And then I can also do a search from here, just like I can inside the client with a search using the letters or keywords. I'm going to show you here how we can use the tags. So let me click on Lotus tag, and you'll notice, and I'll slide down to the bottom, that this is we'll get a match for everything that's got Lotus in it. If I want to do a search on UC2, you'll see that that just changed, and as it comes up, we should see just the UC2 community. So let me go to UC2. There you go. You'll see just the UC2 community. So this tagging area is an easy way to find keywords that people have created that will enable you to find the key purpose of that persistent chat room. So let me shut that down. If you wanted to join a chat room and it was open to people, I could click on this chat room. I can learn a little bit more about it. You can, excuse me, you can open the chat room by continuing to click on its subcomponents, and there's no subfolders or content. So anyway, you can see how you would get access to the chat rooms that way. So I've joined this UC2 user community chat room, and we're using this chat room to track all of the testing that we've done on the Sametime Advanced client. So if I click on the chat room, you'll see that I'm brought into a chat room. You can see that there's a transcript history from the day that the chat room was started. I can click on that to see all of the content that anyone's added. And now let me talk about how we use this for our test community. We have a 10 user test community. We were able to have each individual user add their respective content. So as they found issues, they were able to add them. So here was my first entry where 6 things didn't work. As we continued to work through those and find things, or we taught one another about how things worked, we were able to add that so that no matter what time of day, I could come into the room and get the learnings that everybody else had experienced during the day. And the technical team in the Innovation Center then could use this as a single repository to respond to each person's issues, put that learning in the room, and then everyone else would be able to gain that same knowledge without having to relearn it over and over and over again, or re-engage the technical team over and over and over again. So this made us extremely efficient, helped us to speed our learning. You'll also notice that of the participants in the room, you can see who's online or not. You can chat with them, and then they can also join the chat anytime that you're in the room. You can also do a search for text. I could type in, let's see, let me type in click to meet and do a search. And you'll see that everything's been brought forward that has click to meet in it. And that way I can quickly find a particular item of interest to me within the whole group chat session. So let me go back to the main chat screen. You'll also notice that you have ability over here to see who are the active participants and to post documents. So as we've worked on the quick start guide that we'll be launching this week as we launch Sametime Advanced to all of our users, we put the quick start guide in here for everyone to continue to edit and add content and give their input so that we try to get it right the first time. So this is a tremendous tool, makes it really easy for people to collaborate as a team, to keep track of particular item that they're working on. And this differs from broadcast community chat in that broadcast community chat is a one-time occurrence. So I enter that broadcast community, I have my chat session, I exit it, and the stuff is not saved. In the persistent chat room, all of the activities are saved, and the team can page in and out. Now there's one additional thing that I want to show you. I'm going to shut the chat room. If you'll go to Tools, and you go to Chat Rooms, you'll see this Alert Me When item. If you click on Alert Me When, you have a set of menus here that when you enter into the chat room, you can be notified. So I've selected to alert me when the following number of people are active in the chat room, 1, and alert me when I've not read the following number of line items in the chat room, 1. So what happens is I've also selected to play an audible sound, and once I set that and I click on OK, anytime anybody joins the chat room, I get a visual notification, a little window that comes in on the bottom right-hand corner of my screen that lets me know that someone's entered the chat room. I also up here can see that there's 0 unread activity and 0 active members. But if I've not read even one item, I'll be notified that there's a new posting so that I can be reminded to go and check the chat room for all new updates. That way I keep current as each individual user of the chat room adds content. So that concludes the overview and training on persistent chat. Tremendous tool, great demonstration that you should show with your clients.